Hello, this is a video demonstration on how to practice song number 9 titled Couch Potato on page 4 of the Brown Book. Before we begin practicing the violin, we're going to always clap and count the notes so that we understand the rhythm and the counting for each piece. Now, in order to do that, you're going to first look at what's called the time signature, which is indicated always at the beginning of the bar. Now, what is a bar or a measure? Bar or measure is the way music is organized on the music staff, and they're organized by these vertical lines that you see here. So, first bar is from the first note until you see the vertical line. So this is first bar. Second bar is from here to here. Third bar is from here to here. And then the fourth bar is here. So for this next piece, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. All of these pieces on this page 4, there's 4 bars. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, going back to couch potato. You have what is called a quarter note, which are these black circles with the stem, long stem. Those are quarter notes. A quarter note is 1 beat. Now, moving back to the time signature, the top 4 indicates, again, there's 4 beats per measure. The bottom 4 indicates that the quarter note gets the beat. And we will discuss that further later on. So this first quarter note is the first beat. And you will clap and count it 1. Then you have these 2 symbols. These are called quarter rest. And the rest, they're silence, but for only 1 beat, right? So it's 1, rest, rest, 4. So rather than saying rest, rest, let's actually count 2, 3, and open your hands like this. So here we go. We're going to clap and count bar 1. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bar 2 is the same exact thing. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now bar 3 gets a little trickier. Actually, it does not get trickier. It's the same exact thing as bar 1 and 2. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bar 4, you have 3 quarter notes followed by a quarter rest, which goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's clap and count this entire 4 bars from the beginning to end. I'm going to give you 4 counts before we begin. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that you know how to read and count these notes, let's bring up our instruments to play. Now, playing position, you're going to have your thumb right here and then your fingers here for playing the open D strings. Excuse me while I do this, create some more room. So my thumb is here, finger is here. Make sure your left arm is away from your body. You have a nice arch here. And you're going to practice the basic bow hold where your thumb is here, captain hook, 2 fingers here, and then the pinky rests like that at the tip. So I'm going to place the frog on the D string. And when you're ready, let's count 4 beats, and then we're going to start very slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one more time. The key to this practicing is practicing slowly and to keep the tempo at paced level. You don't want to start off too fast and then go too slow. You want to keep it even. And that's why, again, clapping and counting is essential for any type of music. Even really, especially fast passages, you want to count and clap it really slow first. So here we go. Bow is on the D string. Make sure your violin playing position is just looking like this with a straight posture. The frog goes on the D string. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you end on a down bow, so you're going to be at the tip at the end of the song, and then you put your violin down to resting position. Make sure that you do play 3 quarter notes in the very last bar. The first bar, second bar, and third bar are identical, right? Even though there's more space here, these time-wise, they're exactly the same. You have a quarter note on beat 1, followed by 2 quarter note rest, and then you have a quarter note on the last beat 4. And in bar 4, you start off with 3 quarter notes followed by a rest. So I hope this is helpful, and we will continue to review all of these pieces by counting and clapping in class. Thank you.